What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Still Pipe.
Crackdown Fitness, baby. What's good?
Yeah, so
what's good?
We are here together again.
Yep.
The last time we were training was 3 years ago, so we're gonna train together at the park.
That's it.
It's gonna be crazy.
Yep.
We got a lot of workouts right now that we're gonna do, so you guys better stay focused, man.
That's it. We're out here to motivate you guys, man. Get you guys going. You know, it's summertime. No time to slack. We don't got time for a gym right now, so we're out here.
It's ape season
That's
right
it.
now.
Enjoy the sun.
You know what I'm saying?
Get it in, you know what I mean?
We're gonna get busy right now.
That's it. And
Come on, let's go.
all is welcome.
Yeah.
Here we are at the park, Crackdown Fitness. You know,
on, baby?
first time with the boys working out.
That's it.
Beginner right here.
That's it.
About to get pumped.
That's it.
That's what we're doing, and that's how we're gonna do it today.
We're gonna change his physique.
Right.
We're fucking animal. Hope
That's
you're all
right.
ready for this. And if anybody wanna come out, you know what to do. You know where we are. Come out and get it. You know what I mean? Stop staying inside. Stop being lazy. Let's go. Let's get it. That's it. Push. That's it. There you go. That's it, bro. That's it.
It's your boy Still Pipe. I'm with Crackdown Fitness. We're getting busy right now. I'm gonna show you guys again my rope climbing with just my hands and no legs. And then after that, my silverback gorilla swing-ups. Get it! Alright, man. Look at all that power. Crack time. Show them what you got, man. Come on. Focus.
You already know.
Come on. Let's go. There you go. You see that? Come on, crack down. Show them what you got. Keep it going. We outside.
That's it, you got it, bro.
We're not playing games this summer, people.
Yeah.
Yeah. See it? Woo!
Yeah.
It's time to start flexing.
Already know.
Let's go. Woo!
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, me and Oliver, Crackdown Fitness, we training hard at the park. We put in that work in, man.
Hey.
We flexing all day, every day.
Games.
Showing you that solid, lean muscle. Look at that.
The back games in there.
Yeah. Hey.
That's it.
Good stuff.
It's your legs.
That's it. Good stuff. Beautiful. There you go. Good stuff, yo. Good stuff. Good stuff. Breathe. Make sure you breathe. That's all we're doing. You got it.
We're gonna show you guys some tire flips and some push-ups. We're gonna go back and forth. We're hyped for this. Let's get it. Come on, crack time. Let's go.
Oh, you want in, huh?
Let's go. Come on. I'm ready, man. Come on, man. Let's keep it going. There you go. Come on. Let's keep it going. We're not finished yet. One more, let's go.
Stop that throw a while.
Okay. Woo! Let's go, bro, let's go. That was crazy, man.
Wow.
Woo! Silver Rock Gorilla Project 8 mode. Crack Time Fitness.
Body strength, man.
Good.
That's it. Nice.
Woo! Oh, come on. Woo! Crack time. Show them what you got.
That's it.
Good. Let's go. There you go, there you go. Come on, keep it going, man. That's it. It's all about agility and flexibility, man. There you go. Woo. Come on.
In proper form too.
Woo. That's
Yo, man.
Go.
Yo, man.
You putting out work, kid, man. Huh?
Fucking right. 2 hours later, baby. We told you to come out. You know where we at. We're gonna be doing this every other Saturday, man. All
It's
summer.
8th season.
Come on out. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Come get your solid gains, man. Stop waiting. Make today the last day you said no.
That was a crazy workout.
Yup.
I'm with my boy Crack Time Fitness and Ziggy.
Get it. Get it.
You know, it's 8th season, and we put that work in.
That's it, man.
It's all about motivation and dedication
it.
and staying consistent.
Exactly.
We're gonna come back here again. We're ready for this.
Let it be known next Saturday, so please, this time come out.
Every week.
Every week.
Silverback Gorilla Project 8 mode, more gains, more muscle.